Hey, this is Benedict from Wellness Saturdays, and in this clip, we're going to be talking about cravings no more and how to make probiotic recipe just for you. Enjoy and go and get some carrots and cabbages and go make it up yourself. Cravings, if this is for you. Who doesn't have cravings that sabotage you from making healthy decisions? And oh boy, since writing this manifesto, I've been hard at it. And it's been kind of interesting because each day I've got my elephant journal here, and each day I've been writing up stuff and putting it in here, and it's really helpful. And it's showing me where I'm sabotaging my day and my activity. So, you write what you need to teach, right? Or you teach what you need to personally learn, and that's true for me too. Now, in there's my partner here makes this carrots and cabbage combination in there, and this is kind of like the recipe for you today. This naturally contains all the probiotics you could ever need. Totally naturally. Nothing in there, no vinegar, no nothing, right? No salt, just water, grated carrots, and grated cabbage. And then we let it ferment. And oh my God, it's delicious. And it tastes like crisp and yummy and a little sour. And it's got all those probiotics in there. So, that is a better thing to eat than candy bars, whatever. And I've been there.